up, beautiful people? It's your girl everlenia.chenelle, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be actually unboxing some PRs. So get ready to unbox some PR with me. But before we get into the video, subscribe, like, comments, all that good stuff. But yeah, so like for real, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to the vibe, and turn your notifications on, all that good stuff, okay? All right, so let's get into it. Let's get to unboxing. All right, y'all, so I was sent a package by Cavalli Lash, and this is the website here, so you can shop. Of course, I will put it in the description below, but this who sent me the lashes. And let's see what they got. So first they gave me this cute little note, which, can y'all see that? That is so cute. Someone said, "You're my jam." That's cute. I like that. And then on the other side, it just says Cavalli Lash. All right, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Okay. That's cute, Cavalli Lash. Oh, y'all, they sent me quite a few lashes. So, I'm gonna show y'all that. And then they also sent me, it looks like some eyelash adhesive. And they sent me two of these, and then they sent me some, oh, these are cute. And these are my favorite color, y'all. If y'all know, y'all know. Your girl loves some pink. And, yeah, some lash applicators. So in this video, I'm not gonna put on the lashes. I will do that in a separate video. Probably like a TikTok or something, because your girl already got on lashes. But nonetheless, I'm gonna show y'all these lashes. So first things first, let's talk about the packaging. I like this packaging. I like when stuff be holographic like this. Like, this is so cute to me. And they got like blue holographic, and then they got a pink one too. Cute. Okay. So I showed y'all that packaging. I really like that they sent me a lash tool too, because I feel like you could never have too many of these. Like, never. Especially, like, I don't know, you could just never have too many of those. And then I love that they have their own lash adhesive. As a matter of fact, let's open up the lash adhesive and see what that's looking like. So y'all, I've never used any other lash adhesive. I take that back, that's a lie. I've used, the only one that I like to use is Duo. I have tried like the Kiss lash adhesive, but the fumes on it was just too strong, and I just wasn't, I don't like that. All right, so this is what the lash adhesive looks like. Let's see what type of, what's the name, it's on here. Okay, and it's like a little brush, I think. Yeah, so it's a brush applicator. That's cute. Okay, Cavalli, I see y'all doing y'all thing. Okay, let's get into these lashes now. All right, so the first pair I'm gonna show y'all are called Fuego. This is what they look like. There we go. And that's pretty cute. That's not too dramatic, which I don't like too dramatic lashes, but I feel like that'll be just right for me. And I like how they flare out, you know, because it gives the eyes a nice cat eye. Ooh. All right, there we go. It gives the eyes a nice cat eye effect. That's that. That's Fuego. Fuego. Y'all know. Next up, we have Moana. And can y'all see that? Moana. Which, these are cute too. And they look like, they're like minky, but also wispy. I don't know how to describe it, but I like them. I'm gonna try those too. They don't really have as much flair as the Fuego or whatever, but they still cute. All right, next. Ooh. Next we have a Sanrio, which, let me make sure y'all can see them. Those are really cute too. And these kind of like curl up. Okay. I like that. And then we have Exotic, which I ain't gonna lie, those kind of look like Sanrio, but I don't know. But that's cute too. So far I'm rocking with the Cavalli Lashes. We're gonna see, my bad y'all, I kicked the little stand from my camera. We gonna see though. We're gonna see. And they don't, so I'm sorry, but y'all, they don't have like, they don't have the length on there. And I'm kind of scared because I feel like some of these are probably 25 mm. And let me tell you, your girl don't do 25 mm, okay? Because I just don't, they look good on some people, but I feel like my eye's not big enough to do a lash that big. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying? All right, next we have Besitos. And this is what Basitos is looking like. Can y'all see that? These are little, I don't say denser, because that's what they be, you know, using for the wig density, like 180 density, these like 180 density lashes. But yeah, these kind of, I don't like my lashes too dramatic either. Like, I like a good wispy, I don't know how to describe it, but I like them wispy and I like them long. But I'm gonna still try those. I'm stuttering. But you know, what I'm trying to say is I'm gonna still try them despite, just to see, because I might like them. You know, you just never know. Sometimes you just gotta try stuff. All right, this is another fuller set. This is called Stassi, I think. Okay, Stassi with the money signs. I keep putting them on the wrong side of the camera. I'm sorry, y'all. Stassi with the money signs. So these are a little thicker too. And I know they cute. They looking long. So we gonna see, because they are looking long. They looking real long. Let's see. Ooh, I like these, because these kind of like the spider effect too. These called Maxi. And these look like more, these look like more my style. They like, let's see. They like kind of wispy to me. Not too full, not too full, not too long. They don't look long, but again, we gonna see. All right, this is the last pair, and this one is called Milan. Y'all, that's my my niece's name too, and I love her so much. But yeah, this is what these look like. I have them upside down, but this is what these look like, and I like them too because they have that flare out effect. It's real cute. Okay, y'all, and that's pretty much it. That's what I got from Cavalli Lash. I want to say thank you to Cavalli Lash for sending me these lashes. I can't wait to try them. And of course, y'all, I'm gonna be tagging them down below. I will put their Instagram handles, their website, all that down below, because they do have it all on their packaging. So yeah, based off the packaging alone, I will give them a 10 out of 10 because I feel like they really did invest in their packaging. Even the paper that they have on here says Cavalli. Y'all probably can't really see that, but even the paper on there says Cavalli. And I think that's so cute. I think, you know, it's important, like, when you want somebody to support your business, it's important that you invest in your business. And Cavalli, y'all did a good job with that. And thank y'all again. So yeah, y'all, that's that for the video, y'all. And of course, y'all know, follow your girl, okay? Subscribe, okay? Oh, and y'all should follow me on TikTok too, because like I said, I'm gonna try to do, y'all, I'm not one of them TikTok people. I don't know how to do them dances, so don't be looking for none of that. Like, you know, I'm still learning the editing and stuff too, so be patient with your girl. But I am going to do a try on haul for their lashes on TikTok. I'll probably drop that sometime tomorrow. Maybe. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on social medias, okay? Follow your girl on social media. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, this was sent to me. This PR unboxing is, what is the word I'm looking for? I don't know. This PR packaging was sponsored by Cavalli Lash. Again, there's the website. Y'all should go shop because those actually do look like some good lashes. And again, like I said, I'm gonna do a try on haul, but in order to see it, y'all gotta follow me on TikTok. And of course, I'm gonna put that down below. But I love y'all. That's that for the video. Talk to y'all later. Bye.